How to make money online with social media. Did you know that you can turn your social media accounts into a full-time income? And you don't even need to be an influencer to do that as well. Well, let me show you how. Hey, this is Colin. I help beginners who are struggling financially start and grow an online business using digital marketing. So if you're tired of working long hours, stuck financially, or you just want more freedom, more time to be able to spend with your family, this video is for you. Social media is one of the fastest ways to start making money online. Whether you're using or whether you're doing affiliate marketing, selling digital products, ad revenue, whatever it is that you're doing, social media is one of the fastest growing ways to make money online. And let me show you how to do that here in this video. But before we dive in and start getting into how you can start generating income, generating more income with social media, if you do like this type of content, if you find value in this content, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe as well for more videos that's going to teach you how to use digital marketing, social media, and start generating additional income streams as well online. All right, so let's get into the content. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to want to do, the first step in monetizing and generating an income using your social media platforms is to pick one. You got to pick one. You got to choose a platform that you're going to want to use. All right. So if you're a beginner, you're just starting out and you're not on any of the social medias, or maybe you already are, most people already are on social media, right? You're going to want to pick one that you're going to want to use to monetize and generate income with. Okay. Now, I'm not going to suggest, I don't like suggesting that you use them all. In fact, I like to say that you don't want to be on every single platform here right away. Okay. Of course, it's wonderful to be able to have traffic and income coming in from all sorts of different social media platforms, right? But that's going to get confusing. That's going to get really frustrating and really difficult, especially for a beginner to just figure it all out and also get the process down. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to pick one or two. Two is because if you can repurpose some content or use some automation to repurpose some content, then you can start using two. So whether that be, you can use, for example, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, right? There are many of these different platforms that you could use, but just pick one, first of all, to start off with, which is going to be your main primary platform that you're going to use. Okay, and when you use it, for example, let's say YouTube. Okay, YouTube's going to be your primary one. I love YouTube. YouTube is great. All right, this is my second channel here with YouTube. So YouTube is a great choice to use. And what you do is you focus on it, you master it, you get good at YouTube, you start building up on this on one platform, and then you can move over to other platforms, other social media platforms. Now, how do you take advantage of two? If you're able to repurpose or use some automation to repurpose some of your content. Well, what you can do is this. You could use AI to do this. You could use tools that will be able to do this, and you can create, for example, a long form video on YouTube, right? And then you take that video and you could chop it up, right? You chop it up into little ones, and now they're also shorts on your YouTube, right? But then you can take those shorts, you can take those little videos, and you can put them over on, for example, TikTok, right? Put them over on TikTok. That way you're not too scattered over there. You don't know, you're not all confused because you're trying to focus and figure out what to do over there. Only thing that you're going to do over there is repurpose some of your YouTube content. Okay, and so you're still primarily focusing on just one platform. Does that make sense, right? So that's going to be your first step, is choose a platform that you're going to base your business off of, base what you're going to do off of. Okay, and then the next thing that you're going to want to do, step number two, now that you've chosen your platform, is you want to now start picking your niche. You need a niche. You need a category. You need a topic. You need an audience. You need a group. You need, who is it that you're going to target? Who is it that you're going to aim your conversation, your content at, right? And with, who are you? Who is it all about, right? So pick that. Well, how do you pick a niche? What kind of niches are you going to pick? Well, there are, really three main niches that you can pick from. You've got health, wealth, and relationships. Okay, so pick some of those. Whether you're looking into wealth, for example, and you like, personal finance, investments, insurance, that sort of thing. Maybe you like you're into trading, maybe trading stocks, trading forex, trading crypto, right? Maybe investing in crypto and real estate and different passive income, maybe different side hustles or ways of making money. You see, there's so much within the niche that you can niche down in even further, right? And same thing with health. Maybe you like health, fitness, workouts, health, or nutrition, different types of things, relationships, marriage, couples and dating, and different things that you can start niching down in within these top 3 profitable niches that you can pick, and then get further down within that. Okay, so that's step number 2, is picking a niche. And before we continue, I just want to make a quick mention that if you really want to learn some more detailed information, you want to learn the real details and nuts and bolts of really putting all this together, I have a guide. The link is down below in the description of this video, so go down there, click the link, get that guide so that you can start learning how to monetize social media and make money on social media by monetizing your skill set, all right, with digital products. You can use digital products and monetize on social media, and that's what you're going to learn in the guide down below in the description. So click the link, grab that guide, but continue watching through the video because we're heading on to the next step here, all right? So the next step is going to be step number 3, and step number 3 is audience. You want to build an audience. You want to build an audience on your social media now that you've got that picked out, right? Okay, well, how do you want to build this audience? What's all involved with this? Well, you want to build an audience by providing value, okay? Provide value, and then you will attract and build an audience on your social media platform. So what kind of stuff can you be doing to add value, provide value to build this audience and attract this audience? Well, you can start creating content. Start creating content that has to do with, for example, education, entertainment, or inspiration, right? This is the type of content that you can be creating. Create tutorials and how-to videos that will help people within your niche. Storytelling, share your story, your journey, the challenges, your experiences as you go through this journey of making money and monetizing social media, right? Share your journey with that with that, right? That's another thing you can be doing. You could also be posting trending sounds and trending images and trending posts, trending content on your social media platform. You can be doing stuff like that. What's important is, of course, the more value that you start providing in your content and for your audience, the more audience you will attract and the more they will trust you by providing as much value as you possibly can in your content, right? Just like this, I'm trying to give you as much value as I possibly can right here in this video, right? But again, like I said, there's more detailed information in the guide that's in the description of the video down below. Right? Well, let's move on to step number 4. Step number 4 is going to be, of course, monetizing, right? You want to monetize your content. You want to monetize social media, right? That's our whole purpose, right? Like I said, how to make money on social media, and it's not just for influencers, right? How do you do that? What do you need to do, right? Well, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take action. There's 4 different ways that you could actually start monetizing your social media platform without being an influencer. Number 1 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is really good. It's really easy. It's a simple way to get started. It doesn't take you actually creating products or doing anything like that, because you just have to go to a company that has a product that has to do with that's in your niche, right? And if they have an affiliate program, a partnership program, associate program, they would have a link and a URL, and you don't even need to pay to join their program, right? You just grab their affiliate, you just sign up and give the details so that you're able to get paid and stuff like that, right? And you grab a link, a URL, and that's coded to you. It's an affiliate link, and then you can promote products in your content on social media, directing people to that product in your content. And it's an affiliate link, and then when people go and purchase through your affiliate link, the product does all the work, or the company that has the product or service, they do all the work and sell the product, right? You just drive the traffic, they do everything else, and then you earn a commission every time there's one sold, right? That's affiliate marketing. So that's pretty cool. Another thing that you can do is you can start creating your own products, digital products, kind of like I show you and teach you how to do in the guide that's down below. You can create products, you can use PLR products, you can do stuff like that, right? And talk about stuff like that in your content, right? And sell digital products. And then later on, eventually, once you've really built up your social media platform, right, you can start getting paid through ad revenue, AdSense, right? Like on YouTube, once you have enough hours and once you have enough subscribers in that, you can start getting paid with AdSense, ad revenue, okay? I just started this channel, but I have another channel that I do receive AdSense. I do receive, ad revenue from the AdSense, okay, from just creating content, okay, and the watch time and everything going up, and because it'll play some ads. All right, so that's another thing that you can be doing or eventually get once you've got it built up, right? Okay, so that's a bonus. It's not like, oh, that's my main objective, my main source right there. It's just an added bonus is what that is, okay? So just keep that in mind. And then here's an additional tip, a pro tip really, if you would receive it as that, is building an email list. Build an email list, you guys, okay? So while you're doing all of this, you are also building an email list, because you can be driving your traffic or encouraging people that when they go through a link or anything like that, right? They opt in for a free gift, use a lead magnet, a freebie, and people will give you their email address for a free gift, right? And then you're building up a list, and then you have another audience that's on a list that you could always keep in touch with, okay? So that's a pro tip. You want to keep that in mind as well, all right? And that's it, guys. That's it right there. That's a simple process, right? Follow this process. You can start making money on social media. Start monetizing your social media platform and move on to the rest of them, right? That's how you can do it. And you just keep on growing. You grow from there. So pick one. Pick something, pick your process and just really start with this process, okay? Is what you want to start doing. Just start picking your niche and going with it, all right? Let me know in the comments, right? If you enjoyed this content, you found value, make sure you smash that like button, of course. Drop me a comment down below and let me know what kind of a niche do you like? What are you into? What are you doing, right? What do you find most valuable about this content? All right, do that. If you're not yet subscribed, click subscribe and make sure that you quit waiting any longer. Just grab that, go down in the description of the video, grab the guide down below in the description and get that guide so that you could start monetizing your social media, start learning how to use digital products, selling digital products using social media, right? Okay, see you in the next one. I should have another video for you right. Hey, might be one or two. Check out something above here, right? I'll see you over there.